Alright guys, welcome to Eko Atlantic. Alright guys, so we're at Eko Atlantic right now. It's currently 2 p.m. It's really sunny. The sun is not friendly to our skin, okay, but we're just gonna manage and make this vlog. I'm gonna show you around Eko Atlantic. This place is like literally beautiful. As in the ground everywhere is cleared. You can only see sands and the interlock road, and those are the buildings there. Yeah, on my background, you guys can't really see them well, but yeah, we're gonna try and go there because I don't know, we're not allowed to come here. We're just sneaked in because Nigeria way. You gotta sneak in, you know. If they tell you not to do this, use backyard and enter. So yeah, I hope I just don't get stopped. So yeah, enjoy this video, okay? Max, can you tell them to enjoy the video?
Yeah, just wait for us, guys.
Yeah, sit back, relax, carry your guguru and enjoy the video, okay?
Espling on the track.
So yeah guys, we're at the middle point of Eko Atlantic. Like literally this place is deserted. There's no one here unless the workers. Whoa, look at this water. I never knew there was water here. Jeez. This is really gonna be the Dubai, and that's the Atlantic Ocean over there. Pew. So yeah, this place looks insane, guys. Literally, this place is huge, and I don't think they've even started any like serious. I don't know if they've done the roads, but this place looks deserted. Like there's no one. It looks empty, and in my own calculation, I think there should be at least 50 of those kind of tall buildings in here. And before that is done, I think this is gonna take like 5-10 years, like seriously, unless, I don't know. But yeah, that's just my estimation on when this place is going to start looking like the Dubai that we want it to look like. So yeah, and this water, that's the water here I showed you guys earlier.
Show them today.
But I'm going to show you guys, okay? Whoa, this place looks badass. Look at this swimming pool. Guy, I want to swim here. Hold it for me and let me swim. Guys, I'm going to swim. You know we like...
No.
We like...
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I almost lost my hat, guys. But yeah, I'm just joking. I'm not gonna go in and swim.
It's a Steiner on the beat.
Alright guys, so we're under a bridge like that one. I just enjoy the shade here because it's really sunny. I don't want to step in here because it's really sunny. It's not easy. When this place is done, right, this is going to be our street, okay, and that's going to be my house over there, and Abraham makes in Crown Block TV, that's going to be your house, and Wizkid is going to be my neighbor. You know, when I wake up in the morning, Wizkid will be like, yo, Wizkid, okay? Davido's house will be right there. You see that place? That's Davido's house, eh? And Davido will be like, hey, Wizkid, can I get some salt? I'll just throw some salt to him, you know what I'm saying? Getting closer and closer to what excites me more about this place. That's those buildings. Guys, it's not easy. been trekking all the way from that building. That's the beginning, that's the entrance of the Eko Atlantic, all the way here. It's not easy. Alright guys, this is a close-up shot of one of the buildings. As you guys can see, it's really tall. Yeah, this place is really beautiful. I think this building is like 100% done, and this is a sign saying Alpha 1. As you can see, this is Eko Atlantic. Alright guys, so I did a little research on Eko Atlantic, and I found out that the plan to actually build the mega city initiated back in 2005 or 2006 when Lagos was always flooding. You guys remember back in the days when Lagos was always in the news for flooding, right?
This is 4:45 in the evening, and this heavy downpour in Lagos started as early as 7:30 in the morning. Residents of Lagos literally waded through floods to get to their destination yesterday.
So yeah, that was the actually time the plan to build the mega city initiated. So yeah, and 2005 to date is like 12 to 13 years ago. So you guys can see that it actually took them 13 years approximately to get to this stage they are at right now. And that's the reason I said it's going to take at least 5 to 10 more years before the city is like fully built and equipped. But just yesterday, Mr. President, now I don't want to say Mr. President, it sounds too foreign, okay? Let's go back to the Nigerian way, okay? But just yesterday, President Muhammadu Buhari visited Eko Atlantic and he inspected the place alongside Governor Akinwumi Ambode and a lot of high-profile Nigerians, okay? They took a tour around the uncompleted mega city, and he even met Naomi Campbell. You guys know Naomi Campbell, the model, right? So yeah, he met her there, and I hope his visit brings in more investors to Eko Atlantic, because that way the city gets to be built even faster. But nonetheless, we should keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best for Eko Atlantic and for the whole Nigeria. Guys, vote Wizkid for president. I'll change Nigeria for real, okay? Vote Wizkid for president. Cheers.